Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today we are going to make banana oat muffins. If you are a fan of healthy and easy desserts, this recipe is perfect for you. These muffins are soft and fluffy and they are made with all healthy ingredients, which is why they make for a healthier and tastier option than the store-bought muffins. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. So first we'll add 2 large ripe bananas in a bowl and using a fork, mash them into a puree. Now add 2 tablespoons olive oil or use any other oil of your choice. For the sweetness, I am adding stevia, but you can add any other refined sugar alternative that you like. Now add in some yogurt. And give this mixture a good mix till everything is nicely combined. Now add 2 large eggs and continue whisking till the eggs are well combined. Now we'll add 1 cup oat flour, which is very easy to make at home. All you need to do is grind some oats in a blender to make a fine powder. Now add in some baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon powder. Now gently mix everything really well, but also make sure not to overmix this batter. Now we'll add around 1/3 cup chopped walnuts and give a good mix one more time. The batter is ready and I have also greased my muffin tray nicely with oil. Now fill each cup equally with the muffin batter. Now we'll top it up with some chopped dark chocolate. I've used 70% dark chocolate and chopped it into small pieces. At this time, make sure to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now bake the muffins at 180 degrees Celsius for around 25 minutes. And the banana oat muffins are ready. Now all you need to do is let them cool completely. I love to make these muffins whenever I have some overripe bananas handy. They are easy to make and the texture is just perfect. They are moist, soft and fluffy, and they have just the right amount of sweetness to go along with your chai and coffee. So give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like such healthy and tasty recipes, keep watching Tabudingu Foodies. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating and I'll see you next time.